This is Hi, how are you? This is a very nice drawing. We're going to draw a emoji, and this is just elementary, as simple as it can be. So we're just drawing two eyes here, and nothing else matter. This is called When Words Fail. There's the title, When Words Fail. That's why no mouth here. Okay. For any type of expressions, the outlines tells us many things. Not every time you have to say everything, but the expression or the outlines tells everything. This is the beauty of the graphical expressions. So this is showing that when words fail, people talks nothing. Alright, so this is a very simple drawing. I hope you like it. We have also lots of options. If you browse through the playlist, you can have all the categories and make your own choices for learning the drawing style. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel, put the bell icon on for the updates. Thank you. Have a good day.